Alrighty, Cong TV, shoutout sa'yo. I have tried everything to get his attention. I have tried everything for Team Payaman to notice us. Still, di pa nila kami napapansin. Well, baka natatabunan lang ang videos at mga messages namin sa fucking search algorithm ni YouTube or whatever, and natatabunan yung messages namin dahil ang dami nagme-message sa kanila araw-araw. So I guess that's a thing, kaya hindi pa nila kami napapansin. And yung mga videos namin natatabunan kasi yung fucking algorithm ng YouTube. By the way, yung YouTube algorithm, I have to say it fucking sucks. It's shit. Halatang handpicked yung mga sumisikat at yung mga pumuputok na views. Pero enough of that shit. We all know that yung YouTube algorithm, it fucking sucks and masyadong biased or whatever, hindi ako sure, pero that's my opinion. Yun yung naiisip ko, pero enough of that shit. The reason why I'm making this video is because of this video. Yeah, Tsoks TV ata yung pag-pronounce sa channel nito. Kung mali man, please correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah, the reason why I'm making this video is because of his video. And yeah, like him, I'm trying to get Cong TV's attention. Trying everything para ma-notice ng Team Payaman. By the way, gusto ko tong ginawang video niya kasi he doesn't care na maraming nagsasabi na cloud chase, ginagamit mo pangalan para lang views, ginagamit mo lang sila para sumikat ka sa YouTube. Cloud chase, wag ganyan, hindi pwede yan, illegal pag ginamit mo ang pangalan ng sikat para lang makarami ka ng views. Holy shit, illegal pala gamitin ng mga sikat para sa views. Yeah, hindi na namin gagawin yun. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. We're not gonna do this shit anymore. Hindi na namin gagamitin ang mga sikat para makakuha ng views dito sa YouTube. Pero I don't give a fuck. I'm a badass. I'm against the authority. Hindi, joke lang. Basta, I don't give a shit what anyone says. I'ma do me and I'ma do whatever it takes para makarami kami ng views. So, I don't give a fuck what anyone says. If you got a problem with that, KMA, kiss my ass. So yeah, like Tsoks TV, idol namin sila. Idol namin ang Team Payaman. Share lang namin, no? And sila ang reason why this channel was made in the first place. Cong TV is yung dahilan kung bakit may G Plana Squad ngayon, or yung kung bakit ko kinreate tong channel na ito. Malaking bagay sa amin yun pag nakakolab namin sila or ma-shoutout kami nila Cong TV. Alright, malaking bagay yun para sa amin. It's gonna make us feel good and it's gonna help us a lot in our YouTube career and our YouTube dream. YouTube pangarap. Ito, share ko lang. Our financial status is shit. It's complete fucking shit. It also doesn't help na yung tatay ko is nabawasan ng sweldo niya dahil sa tang-inang pandemic na ito. Sad day, binawasan yung sweldo niya kasi may mga, I don't know, budget shit, basta something about the economy shit. And may 15,000 pesos rent kami every month, which is making it hard for us para makaipon ng fucking 54,000 pesos shit para makalipat na kami. Kailangan kasi namin ng 54,000 pesos para makalipat na kami kasi may fucking turnover fees. Kung hindi nyo alam yung turnover fees, basta ganito na lang. Paglilipat kayo ng condo, yeah, yun, turnover fees sa condo or whatever. Magigets nyo to paglilipat kayo ng condo. Pero share ko lang yun. Ignore what I said. Share ko lang naman. I just wanna get that shit off my chest. Cause, you know, it's stressful and it's fucking giving me the headaches. Pero yeah, the purpose of this video, I'm getting sidetracked. The purpose of this video is to get noticed by Team Payaman. Sana ma-notice nila tong video na ito. I've seen some videos and pics na may mga tao, mga fans na na-notice sila ng Team Payaman. Lalo na itong video na ito, like, yeah, this video made me think na may chance kami para ma-notice kami ng Team Payaman. Share ko lang naman. So, we got a chance. There is a chance para mangyari yan. There is a chance para ma-notice kami nila Cong. We're so close yet so far para ma-meet ang Team Payaman. Bakit ko nasabi na so close yet so far? Well, may mga friends kami sa FB at may mga members ng G Plana Squad na ka-close nila ang ka-close ng members ng Team Payaman. Alright, like especially Ralph, shoutout sa'yo. Yung best friend mo pala na ka-close si V Cortez. Update nga pala. Wala lang, share ko lang. Pero yeah, hashtag Team Payaman X G Plana Squad. Sana talaga mangyari to. Like, matagal na namin pangarap yan. Ako naman, Manong Jireh, may mga FB friends ako naka-close ang Team Payaman. And I tried to ask help para makarating tong mga videos na ito kina Cong at Team Payaman. Pero sad shit, sinisin lang nila. Sinisin lang ako. Oh my god, like someone help me please. Sad pero ox lang naman, baka busy lang sila. Kahit ilang beses ko na paulit-ulit sinesend yung mga shit na pwede pakidala to kay Cong or whatever, pero it's not working. Pero shit, fuck, sad day. Also, ito pala, sana lang, I hope, sana maulit itong ginawa ni Cong dati. Share ko lang naman itong video. Ito, share ko lang. Yung G Plana Squad dati is sumali sa shoutout competition ni Cong. Pero sad day, sad happenings, we didn't win. G Plana Squad didn't win. And we failed. Mostly I failed. I'm a failure, man. Like, shit. Pero yeah, sana magkaroon ng part 2 ito. Like, yung shoutout competition. Sana talaga, I hope na magkaroon ng part 2 yung shoutout competition ni Cong. I hope he does this again. Give me a chance, man. Give me another chance. All I need is another chance. And also, yeah, iba kasi pag sinoutout ka ng sikat na YouTuber, like, it's gonna change your life. It's gonna be like a step closer for us na ma-reach namin ang dream goal namin, dream job. Parang pag sinoutout kami ng isang sikat na YouTuber, parang it's a step in the right direction towards our goal na yung dream job kasi namin is maging full-time job itong YouTube shit. Pero ngayon hindi namin pwede gawin full-time job itong YouTube kasi, you know, the money that we're getting is not fucking enough. So yeah, getting shout-outed by a famous YouTuber is gonna help us reach our dreams, and I hope that happens. So yeah, shoutout sa'yo, Cong TV. Sana manotice mo kami. Manotice mo tong mga videos na ito. Sana manotice mo tong mga videos na ito. And sana manotice mo itong video na ito. And sana manotice mo rin yung 1 million messages ni Manong Jireh sa'yo sa FB mo. Sa FB mo and sa FB fan page mo. Sana manotice mo yung mga messages ni Manong Jireh. We need another chance, man. We need a chance. Just one more chance. We need a chance. Give us a chance, man. Please. So yeah, sana mangyari to. Sana manotice kami ng Team Payaman. I hope they watch this video or whatever. Pero yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. And that's the bottom line because Manong Jireh said so. Shoutout sa comment of the day. Aight, yung comment of the day. Pinipili ko yung comment of the day na ganito na shoutout pag lagi kang nagko-comment sa videos or pag sobrang ganda ng comment mo. Yeah.